When someone wants to start designing but doesn't know which software to trust, Affinity by Canva often comes up. It's fast, clean, and powerful, and now it works seamlessly with Canva accounts. But getting it installed on a Windows computer for the first time can be confusing. So here's a full walkthrough that shows every step, from downloading it safely to opening your first project. Start by opening any web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, whichever you use most. In the search bar, type affinity.studio and press enter. This is the official website for Affinity by Canva, and it's always best to download software from the official source instead of third-party sites. Once the page opens, take a second to explore. The homepage shows all the Affinity apps, including Designer, Photo, and Publisher, along with information about their new integration with Canva. Now, look for the button that says Sign up to download or Get Affinity. Click it and you'll be asked to sign in. If you already have a Canva account, the same login will work here too. Just select Sign in with Google or Continue with Canva. If you don't have an account yet, there's a quick sign-up form you can use directly on the site. Once you're signed in, it will save your device information and take you to the download page. This is where you choose your operating system. You will see two main options, one for macOS and one for Windows. Because I use Windows operating system, I am selecting Windows and then choosing the version that matches the computer's processor. Most modern laptops and PCs use x64, so that's the one to click. The download should begin right away, and you'll see the setup file appear at the top of your browser window. Once the file has finished downloading, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer. Windows might show a pop-up asking if you want to allow changes to your device. Click Yes to continue. The setup window will appear. There is no need to change anything here unless you want to choose a different folder. Leaving everything as default works fine. Then click Install. The installation only takes a few moments. While it's running, Windows will prepare the files and set up the shortcuts automatically. When it's done, you'll see a message saying the installation was successful. Click Close and you'll notice a new Affinity by Canva icon on your desktop. Now, double-click that icon to launch the program for the first time. It may take a few seconds to open because it's setting up for your system. You'll see a welcome screen with a short intro video. You can watch it if you want to see what's new, or skip it and go straight to the sign-in page. Choose Sign in with Canva and your browser will open briefly to confirm the connection. Click Continue and Affinity will log you in automatically. After that, the program will ask if you want to share anonymous usage data, which is optional. Then click Start Creating and you'll enter the main workspace. From here, you can begin a new document, open templates, or explore the new Canva connected features that make it easy to move designs between both platforms. And that's it. Affinity by Canva is now fully installed and ready on your Windows PC or laptop. The entire process usually takes less than 10 minutes, even on slower connections. If anything seems off, double-check that the installer came from the official affinity.studio site. That small detail prevents most installation errors. Also, remember that you will need a Canva account to sign in, even though Affinity works as a standalone design tool once installed. Now that everything's set up, the next step is learning how to use it. Start with basic projects like creating a new document, exploring the Layers panel, or exporting a design to Canva for collaboration. Once you get comfortable, you'll notice how smooth and fast Affinity feels compared to many online tools. That's all for this tutorial. You now know exactly how to download, install, and open Affinity by Canva on any Windows computer. So go ahead, open it up, start a project, and test out what this new version can do.